is Angelini Maraziko. I joined the 11th batch Triple M Guidance course. Here is my feedback video about the experience of studying in Triple M East Africa Guidance School. Guidance School was an eye-opener to me. I've learned a lot of logistics in Triple M, which I will also impart to my downliners as their leader. The Guidance course will take me a long way with Triple M. However, I faced a mammoth of challenges during the training. This way, it was a learning curve. Doing it by myself, the error rate was there for me. My network was very poor and could not attend some of their meetings. However, I've learned how to use Google Sheets. I've always been using Excel and Word. I've also learned how to create YouTube. I've also learned how to submit my links into the submissions schedules. I've also learned how to set up GoToMeeting and Screenomatic. I've also learned how to work in social networks and with groups in networks. I also learned how to do a record on my own presentation video. In a nutshell, the Guidance School was an eye-opener. I hope the experience I have gained will go a long way in helping other people when I graduate as a guider, or in helping other people, in helping people to change the world through Triple M. Thank you.